Sometimes businesses need to hit that reset button. But whether things are developing or you just need a fresh start, changing your business name is a challenging process. Today, we're breaking things down so you can come out on top with your name change. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. And as always, I'm Jake with BusinessNameGenerator. Let's get started. As a testament to the challenge of this daunting task, I'm going to ask you first. Do you really need to change your business name? The first thing you want to consider and lock down is why you're changing your name. Whether it's rebranding, a change in business focus, or you've just found a name that better aligns with your company's mission, take the time to weigh the pros and cons before making this significant change. If you don't really know why you're changing your business name, then stop right here, right now, and get a clear answer. Changing your business name isn't as simple as just picking a new name. You'll need to run the same checks you hopefully ran when you first started your business. On the legal front, you'll need to check for trademark issues, revise business contracts and agreements, and update your licenses and your permits. The next step is planning and research. You'll want to search for the availability of your desired name, think about URL changes for your website, and you'll want to make sure your new name resonates with your target audience. Check out our video on choosing a business name for a refresher on the best practices when trying to find a new name. In the US, to make your change official, you'll need to do two things. You'll need to file an amendment with the Secretary of State or the appropriate governmental agency in your location. And you'll need to update your employer identification number with the IRS and your local government's tax agency. After all the paperwork is done, it's time to update your branding and marketing materials. Most likely you've done some of this work already, but it's time to put the plan in action. Update your logo, business cards, website, and your social media profiles. Many of these wheels are turning at the same time, but here's a checklist of who you need to notify during the name changing process. Your vendors, banks, utility providers, and of course, your customers. Revenue-wise, your customers are the most important on this list. Ensure a smooth transition with clear communication that eases customers into the change. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure a smooth transition. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on how to bring your business to the next level.